Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to center anchor points in After Effects. After creating a composition, I add a purple background image into composition, and then we can draw a shape. For example, I use star tool to draw a star, and we can see that the anchor point is at the center of composition. If we want to move the anchor point to the center of star, make sure that we select the shape layer, and then we can go to layer and transform. We can go to center anchor points in layer contents, or we can use shortcut Ctrl Alt Home to center anchor point. I click it, so the anchor point is moved to center of star. Furthermore, if we want to move star to the center of composition, we can use Align tool, go to Window and Show Align Panel, and then I move down to show Align Panel, and make sure that we choose composition, and then we can click on the Align horizontally and Align vertically. So this is how we can move anchor points to center in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video. Bye bye.